So students, we are going to study the next topic. So for that, we need some basic information, which we have already learned. It is about congruence of triangle. So how do we decide that two triangles are congruent? So you can see here, this first triangle is purple color, which is triangle ABC. And second triangle is white color, which is triangle PQR. So if I want one-to-one congruence, then this triangle, purple color triangle, should exactly match all the points as well as length of the white color triangle. So if I take this triangle and if I put it on PQR, then it is going to be exactly cut to cut equal. Okay, that means what? The angles which are there, both the angles of both the triangle should be equal as well as length should be equal. Okay, so all angles as well as all length, when they are equal, that time we say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. This is the sign of congruent. Okay, that was about congruence of triangle. All right. So congruence of triangle में क्या होना चाहिए? The triangle should be of equal everything, equal length as well as equal angles. Now moving forward, you have to observe this figure. In these two figures, you will find that these two figures are similar. All right, but they are not equal. So what is different in them? Let us observe. So if I take this blue color small figure and if I try to coincide, so I'll see that the lengths which are there, the sides of the triangle, they are not equal. They are the blue color triangle lengths, the sides are smaller, whereas red color or maroon color triangle lengths are bigger. Okay, but let us check the angles. So if I try to coincide this first angle to this first angle, you will see that this first angle matches. Then let us coincide this side angle, this corner to this corner, second corner. And let us coincide this third corner with this third corner of the blue color triangle, and it coincides perfectly. So from these two figures, what do we observe? These two figures are similar, but they are not congruent. Why? Because the lengths are different, but there is something which is similar. And what is that? The angles. All the three angles of this maroon color triangle are exactly equal to the all the three triangles of this blue color triangle. All right. Only the difference is in the length. Blue color triangle has a smaller length, whereas maroon color triangle has bigger length. All right. Now, let us observe this figure also. So this is a pentagon. All right. So in pentagon also, this is big pentagon and this is small pentagon. So let us observe the angles. The lengths are surely different. This is very small. The length of the sides of this orange color pentagon is very much smaller than this light green color pentagon. But let us match the angles and see. So if I exactly coincide this point, first point on this lower bigger pentagon, then you will see that the first angle coincides. Let us check the second angle. Second angle exactly coincides. Let us check the third angle. Third angle also exactly coincides. Okay. See, let us check the fourth angle. Yeah, that also exactly coincides. And let us check finally the fifth angle. So in pentagon, there are five angles and all the five angles of this pentagon, big pentagon, green color pentagon, are equal to this small pentagon, which is orange color pentagon. But what is the difference between both? The sides, the lengths of the sides of green color pentagon is very much larger than the orange color pentagon. And finally, let us observe this square. Okay, so blue color square, which is there, that sides are slightly bigger than the yellow color square. Now let us coincide the angles and see. So angles are definitely equal. This is first angle, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. So you can see here all the angles of blue color triangle square is equal to the yellow color square. Only the difference is in the length of the sides. So all this figure which you observed, this two triangles of different lengths, two pentagon of different lengths, and two square of different lengths, which have same length or same measurement angle, are called as similar figure. They look similar, but they are not equal. But the proportionality, one thing, the lengths of the sides of the two triangles are in proportion. Now, what is the sides are proportion का मतलब क्या है, that I will explain you further. But what are similar figures? How are they defined? The proportionality of all sides is an important property of the similarity of two figures. So कोई भी figures लो, दो triangles लो, you can take two triangles, you can take two squares, you can take two pentagons, hexagons, anything. You can take two circles also, but the proportionality of the sides, okay, sides which is there, they are in proportion. Okay, there is some ratio, there is some relation. Proportion means what? There is some relation in the sides of the two, both the figures के sides में relation है. What is that relation? That we'll figure out later. But the second line is important, but the angles in the figures have to be of the same measures. So like I told you from the first only, ये दो triangles के angles same थे, ये दो pentagons had, both the pentagons had all the angles same, and two squares also had all the angles same. Okay, so there are two criteria of the similar figure. One is that the sides of the figure should be in proportion and the angles have to be same to same, exact measurement. Angles should be same to same. Only the sides which are there, they should be proportion. Now what is sides in proportion, that we will understand. Okay, now where is this similar figure concept used? It is used in maps. Okay, so if you have to make a map of a very big area, that means if you take area is Mumbai. Mumbai is very big, and if a foreigner wants to explore Mumbai, he has to have a map. So in map, the length of the road which is there, that is not shown very big. Actual length of road, is it shown on the map? No, it is more shown very small. But one thing which is shown exactly is the angle of the turns. Okay, so if the angle of the turn is exactly 90 degree, it is shown 90 degree. Here you can observe it is slightly less than 90 degree. यहाँ से जैसे भी turn है, वो angle का turn, it is shown exactly of the angle which is actually present in the actual Mumbai. Okay, so it is like that. You can relate this similar figure example to the maps. The actual Mumbai का जो road का length रहता है, that is not shown actually in the map, because map is very small piece of paper. So there the length of the road is shown very small. But the angles which are there, they are shown exactly. If the angle is exactly 90 degree, or if it is slightly turn, लेते हैं slight turn, if it is to be shown, then it is shown like this, where I'm pointing my cursor. Okay, so like that, you can relate the concept of similar figure. Now there is one activity which you have to perform. What you have to do, on the card sheet, you cannot actually, you can, if you want to perform, it is well and good. It is well and good if you actually try this activity and explore what is the similar figure concept. So now through this activity, we are going to learn what is the concept called as proportional length or proportional sides. Okay, so on a card sheet, what is the activity? On a card sheet, draw a triangle of sides 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter. That is triangle ABC. So ऐसा triangle तुम लोगों को cut करना है. Okay, so one length is 4 centimeter, another length is 3 centimeter, and there is a small length which is 2 centimeter. That triangle, you name it as ABCD or ABC. Okay, and same to same, you have to make 13 copies. So this is one. Same to same, you have to make 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Like that you have to make. This is 1. So 1 ke sath or 13, if you make it, you will get 14 triangles same to same. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, one triangle ABCD, ABC, the triangle which is there, that you, one original triangle you keep as it is, and the copies which you have made, through that, by using that, you have to make these things, this similar figure. Now see what I'm doing. So here I'm arranging the both the triangles like this into a bigger triangle. So now have you solved puzzle? That way you're going to do. So see what I'm going to do, how I'm arranging. This triangle I have tilted, and now I'm fitting between these two triangles like this, like puzzle. All right, perfectly puzzle. Now I am joining this triangle also. So by using 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 triangles, I have made a bigger triangle. Okay, same triangle, छोटा triangle का बहुत सारा copies था, but what I did, I used 4 of the copies and I made a bigger triangle like a puzzle. Okay, I joined those joined those small triangles and I made a slightly bigger triangle. Okay, so now let us make one more bigger triangle bigger than this triangle, second triangle which I have made. Now let us arrange like a puzzle again. So this triangle over here, this will keep aside. This is ulta, so I'll keep this over here. Yeah. Now this I'll fit in these two triangles like a puzzle because I've made that ulta. This triangle is also tilt करके इसमें fit करना है. Now this triangle I'll fit it over here. It's very much fun to do it. Okay, it's like a puzzle. Now if you're looking at it, it is taking a shape of a bigger triangle. See? All right, and we name this triangle as PQR. Okay, so yes, small triangle, this triangle was the original triangle, and similar to this triangle we had made the same 13 copies, and by using this 13 copies we make of this small triangle ki we make bigger, and more than that second triangle se bhi bigger triangle we make it. So we have triangle ABC, which is the original triangle. Original triangle se bhi bada we get second triangle, that is DEF, and bigger than that triangle is PQR. Now what will be the length of the sides? So now we'll get it over here. So if AB was 4 centimeter, we repeated AB 2 times, so यहाँ पे भी 4 plus 4 हो जाएगा. This side it was 3, so it have here we had doubled the length, so 3 and 3 will have, and this side also your small triangle का 2 था, लेकिन यहाँ पे we have doubled the length, so यहाँ पे 2 and 2 हो जाएगा. Okay. Now in more than slightly bigger triangle, सबसे बड़ा जो triangle है, here we have tripled it. 3 times we have made it. So here 4, 4 and 4. Here also we have this side. It was just 3 small triangle ka, and now we have tripled it. So here 3, 3, 3. And this side also AC. Here this side also we have tripled it. So it will be 2, 2 and 2. All right. So now we are just going to compare ABC and DEF. First triangle, the original triangle, and the second triangle, bigger triangle which we have obtained. So in triangle ABC and DEF, so both the triangles are similar. How they are similar? Let us see. Similar matlab kya? The lengths are not same, but the angles are same. So ye A jo angle hai, that should exactly coincide with D angle. So I'll go and match it. See, it matches with the D angle. Now angle B which is there, that should be equal to E angle. Let us match that triangle also and see. See, exactly it is matching that triangle. And C angle should be equal to which angle? F angle. So I'll take this figure and I'll match F angle also. So once the F angle also matches, that means what? All the angles are equal. So that criteria is satisfied. Now let us study about the length. So see here, angle A is congruent to angle D. It is equal means congruent. Angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. Those are called as corresponding angles. The all angles which are equal between first and second triangle. Now we are going to take ratio. Ratio में तुम लोग को समझ में आएगा what is proportion. Proportionate है मतलब क्या? So this side AB should be exactly coinciding. अब ABC angle A is coinciding with AB if I take side AB if I take. So A जो point है वो exactly कौन से point से coincide होता है? D. और B जो point है वो E से coincide होता है. So if I take AB, here I have to take DE. So AB divided by DE, if I have to do, AB ka value is what? 4. And DE, from D to E, what will be the value? Here we have doubled it. So 4 plus 4 is what? 8. So 4 divided by 8 means what? It is 1. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So it will be 1 upon 2. Let us observe for different length, BC. Okay. So BC, if we have to take, so BC coincides with which point? E, and C coincides with F. So BC जब लेंगे तो हम लोग को EF ही लेना पड़ेगा. So BC upon EF, let us take and do it. Do the calculation. So BC का length है 3 and EF का length क्या रहेगा? 3 plus 3. It is going to be 6. So 3 upon 6 is again what? 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So 1 upon 2, again we get it. So you can see here, first ratio we get it as 1 upon 2. Second ratio, again we get it as 1 upon 2. Let us observe for the third side of the triangle. So third side is AC. So यहाँ पे पहला point A लेते हैं, तो यहाँ पे पहला point D लेंगे. Second point is, if it is C, second point we have to take it as F. So AC upon DF we have to do. सो AC का यहाँ पे लेंथ है 2 सेंटीमीटर, यहाँ पे 2 + 2 वी हैव टू टेक डिवाइडेड बाय 4. Again 2/4 is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Again we get half. All right. So from one ratio, first, second, and third ratio, what do we conclude? We conclude that AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. Okay, and this ratio or this equation that we are obtaining finally are called as corresponding sides which are in proportion. All ratios when they are equal, that time सब ratios 1/2 1/2 1/2 है, मतलब all ratios are equal. And which are this ratio? It is ratio of all the sides of the triangle. Okay, so when all the ratio of all the sides of triangle 1 and triangle 2 are equal, that time they are called as, when they are equal, that time it is called as they are in proportion. Okay, so that this is what I meant to tell you all when we define the similar figures. So similar figures में क्या एक रहता है, angles तो exactly same रहते हैं, लेकिन sides जो रहते हैं उसका ratio जो रहता है, they are exactly in proportion. Proportion मतलब क्या, all the ratios are equal, all the sides ratios are equal. All right. So now we can define similarity of triangles. Here we learn only about similarity of triangles. So in triangle ABC and PQR, we already know angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to Q, and angle C is equal to R. And we already derived this, that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Okay, so when these two criteria are satisfied, first is all the angles should be equal and the side should be in the ratio of the side should be in proportion. Proportion matlab equal hona chahiye. Okay, when these two conditions are satisfied, then only triangle ABC and triangle PQR are called as similar triangles. Okay, we have learned about congruent triangles. Don't get confused with congruent triangles and similar triangles. Similar triangles के लिए ये दो criteria है. Okay, triangle ABC and PQR are similar. ये कैसे लिखते हैं? तो similar का sign है like a wave. Triangle ABC is similar like a wave to triangle PQR. Okay, there is one more activity in textbook that you have to do it at your home. You can perform and see. It is just for fun and just for your extra knowledge. So after this similarity definition, there is one activity you can do it at home. Let us solve sum based on this criteria, that is similarity of triangles. Okay, so the sums are very easy. So first example is some information is shown in triangle ABC and PQR. Already हम लोग को figures दिए and in that figures there is some information that is shown. What is that information? The similar angles which are there, they are denoted by similar symbols. Okay, so यहाँ पे similar symbol कहाँ पे है? यहाँ पे A angle को एक circle है, P angle को एक circle है, B angle पे 90 degree है, Q angle पे 90 degree है. That means what? Angle A is equal to angle P and angle B is equal to angle Q. ये तो we can see it through the figure. Okay, observe it. They have told us to observe to the both of the figure, and they have told us to find out the lengths of side AC ka and side PQ. So there are some missing lengths and that length you have to find out. It is very simple. First of all, we already know similarity कैसे find out करते हैं. We already know that the angles are equal. Angle A, it is given that angle A is equal to angle P. How? Because the symbols are similar. यहाँ पे भी circle है, यहाँ पे भी circle है. And we also know angle B is equal to angle Q because B is 90 degree, Q is 90 degree. So when two angles are equal, automatically third angle also becomes equal. So therefore, angle C becomes equal to angle R. So once angle are equal, therefore angle ABC and angle PQR are equiangular triangles because all the angles are equal. So when angles are equal, that means what? The sides of the both the triangles should be in proportion. Okay, so we are going to take the proportion of all the sides. So यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग side AB लेते हैं तो ये angle को कौन सा side लेना पड़ेगा? Definitely we have to take PQ क्योंकि A is exactly corresponding to P and B corresponds to Q. So यहाँ पे पहले A लेंगे तो यहाँ पे पहले P लेना पड़ेगा, पहले B तो यहाँ पे पहले Q. So AB upon PQ is equal to BC. BC का corresponding side कौन सा रहेगा? QR and finally AC अपॉन पी आर, AC का करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड है PR, इसका हम लोग को रेशियो लेना है. नाउ दिस रेशियोज आर गोइंग टू बी इक्वल, दे आर इन प्रोपोर्शन. व्हाई? When angles, all the angles of this triangle are equal to angles of this triangle, that time we know that these two figures are similar figures. And similar figures में क्या criteria है? All the angles are equal and all the sides are in proportion. So here, therefore, sides are proportional. So proportional मतलब क्या? AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Now substitute all the values. So AB के जगह पे we already know in figure it is given AB is 3. PQ we don't know, we are told to find out. So keep it as it is equal to BC. In place of BC, in figure it is given as 4. So write down 4. And in place of QR, in figure it is given as 6. So write down both the values is equal to, again AC की जगह पे कुछ भी नहीं लिखना है because here we are told to find out what is the value of AC. And PR के जगह पे we have the value in the figure which is 7.5. Now what do you have to do is you have to just take two of the first two values. ये first two values लेना है और हम लोग को solve करना है because we want PQ. So 3 upon PQ is equal to 4 upon 6 लेना है. So first when we take that, you have to cross multiply. So 6 3s is what? 18 and PQ multiplied by 4 करना है. So PQ into 4 is equal to 6 into 3 is 18. So we get this equation. All right, we get this equation. Here first two values का cross multiply करना है. So 6 3s are 18. यहाँ पे हम लोग को मिला is equal to बीच में है and PQ into 4 you have to do. So 4 into PQ. Now we want PQ, so keep PQ this side and take 4 on other side. So 4 यहाँ पे multiplied था तो यहाँ पे divide हो जाएगा. So 18 upon 4 we will get. Now you have to do the division. 18 divided by 4, the answer you will get it as 4.5. All right. Now अगर हम लोग को PQ का आंसर मिला, now if you want to find out AC, again you have to take these two values. पहले ये दो values लेना है because यहाँ पे दोनों values है and here only one value is missing. Okay, so when you have to take two of the things, two of the equal, what you say, two of the proportion where एक जगह पे दोनों values दिए रहेंगे. Okay, so यहाँ पे 4 and 6 दोनों values है, यहाँ पे एक missing है and एक है. So ऐसे दो proportion हम लोग को लेना है. So now here when we cross multiply, 7.5 into 4 करना है and AC into 6. So you can see here. Similarly, 6 into AC is equal to 7.4, 7.5 into 4. Okay. Now AC you keep this side and 6 यहाँ पे multiplied था, but when you take other side it will be divided. So 7.5 into 4 divided by 6. Okay, and when you do all this calculation, you will get it as 30 upon 6 is equal to, so 30 divided by 6 is 6 5s are 30. So AC will be 5. Okay. So this is how you find out all the lengths, missing lengths of the triangle, both the triangles. Now this, if you are not able to understand directly when I point out through the PPT, I have solved the practice set sums through a video. Through that video, you are definitely going to understand how I am solving. So watch that video also. But you should know both the criteria of similar triangle. So just don't forget these two criteria. Similar triangle के लिए कौन से दो criteria है? First is very important, all the angles are equal, equally होना चाहिए. And once all angles are equal, that means both the triangles are similar triangles. And similar triangles में second criteria ये है, the sides ratio which is there, both the triangle sides ratio are in proportion, मतलब all are equal. Okay, so ये तुम लोग को आना चाहिए. ये proportional side का ये जो equation है ये लिखने को तुम लोग को आना चाहिए. Once you know that, you are going to enjoy solving these sums because these sums are very easy. So please solve the practice set sum I have given in the video.